Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the second question of exercise 11.4. So you have to show that cosecant theta minus cot theta square is equal to 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. So let's consider LHS part. So LHS we have cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So I'm going to write cosecant and cot in terms of sine and cos. So cosecant will be 1 by sine theta by cos theta by sine theta, cot theta equal to cos by sine. So we have this, and since sine theta is the LCM here, this should be 1 minus cos theta by sine theta whole square. This square will be applied for both numerator and denominator, so this will be 1 minus cos theta square by sine square theta. In the we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and that is why I'm going to substitute sine square theta is equal to, so I'm going to write it again. Okay, so 1 minus cos theta whole square, and I'm going to substitute sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and if I take the sine cos square theta to the left hand side, sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And next we have, I'm going to expand the, what do we say, the numerator. Okay, or since it is square, I can simply write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We can write a square as a into a. Similarly, 1 minus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And if we observe the denominator, I can write this 1 as 1 square, and 1 square minus cos square theta. It looks like something like a square minus b square. And we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, 1 square minus cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So what I have done, I have substituted 1 minus cos square theta in the place of sin square theta in the denominator, and then in the numerator we have 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos theta whole square, and I have written it individually, like since a square can be written as a into a, similarly 1 minus cos theta whole square I wrote as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and denominator there is 1 minus cos square theta, and I wrote 1 minus cos square theta as 1 square minus cos square theta, so that I can divide them as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by a square minus b square formula. So it would be a plus b into a minus b. The 1 minus cos theta and in the numerator denominator will get cancelled, and eventually we got it as 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, which is actually the RHS just given in the question. So when we took the LHS, we took the LHS, which is cosecant theta minus cos theta whole cot theta whole square. I have replaced them with sine and cos of their equivalent. So cosecant theta is 1 by sine theta, and cot theta is cot theta cos theta by sine theta. So I took the LCM. I have taken the squares on both numerator and denominator. I have divided them individually and calculated them out in the last step. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more solutions. Meet you in the next one.